myself. Good evening, how are you everyone? Present our honorable chief guest, teachers, special guests and audience. Ladies and gentlemen, dear brothers and sisters, I am going to introduce myself. My name is Suad Hassan. I am a student. I am in class 3. I live in Kaliakur, Gazipur with my parents. My father's name is Monir Hussain. He is a businessman. My mother's name is Nazim Begum. She is a housewife. The name of my madrasa is Darul Habib Cadet Madrasa. I go to madrasa on foot. I love my madrasa very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
MashaAllah, Jazakallahu khairan jaza.